Good morning, students. We are going to learn today Roman numerals. What is Roman numerals? People of ancient Rome used letters of the English alphabet to represent numbers. These are called Roman numerals. Repeat again. People of ancient Rome used letters of the English alphabet to represent numbers. These are called Roman numerals. Next, the symbols 0 to 9 are called Hindu Arabic numerals. 0 to 9 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are called Hindu Arabic numerals. But in Roman numerals, there are 7 symbols to represent the numbers. There are 7 symbols: I, V, X, L, C, D, M. These are the 7 symbols of Roman numerals. What are the values of these Roman numerals? Let's talk about these values. I is 1, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500 and M is 1000. Repeat again. I is 1, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500, M is 1000. These are the 7 symbols and these are the values of these symbols. Now let's talk about the rules. Rules for writing Roman numerals. Rule number 1. If a symbol is repeated in the numeral, its value is added as many times as it is repeated. If a symbol is repeated in the numeral, its value is added as many times as it is repeated. For example, I take 3i. I is 1, that means 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Rule number 2. A symbol cannot be repeated more than 3 times in a number. A symbol cannot be repeated more than 3 times in a number. Rule number 3. We can only repeat the numerals I, X, C and M. We can only repeat the numerals I, X, C and M. The numerals V, L and D are not repeated any number. Rules number 4. If a symbol of smaller value is written on the right of the symbol of higher value, then their values are added. If a symbol of smaller value is written on the right of a symbol of higher value, then their values are added. For example, I take xi. X is greater than I and I is written on the right hand side. That means x means 10 and I means 1. Then 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Rules number 5. If a symbol of smaller value is written on the left of a symbol of higher value, its value is subtracted from that of the bigger symbol. If a symbol of smaller value is written on the left of a symbol of higher value, its value is subtracted from that of the bigger symbol. For example, I take ix. X is greater than I and I is written on the left side. That means 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Rules number 6. The symbol V cannot be subtracted from any other symbol. V's cannot be subtracted from any other symbol. Rules number 7. The symbol I can be subtracted from both V and X. The symbol I can be subtracted from both I and V and X. For example, I take IV. IV. That means 5. V means 5 and I means 1. That means 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. I'll give you another example. IX. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Rules number 8. If a symbol with a smaller value is written between two symbols with higher value, It is read with the symbol of higher value that comes later. If a symbol with a smaller value is written between two symbols with higher value, it is read with the symbol of the higher value that comes later. For example, XIX does not mean xi means 11 plus x means 10 is equal to 21. This is wrong. It means x means 10 and ix means is equal 9. That means 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. Rules number 9. There is no symbol for representing 0 in Roman numerals. That means 0 in Roman numerals have no symbols. There is no symbol for representing 0 in Roman numerals. These are the rules for Roman numerals. Now, Roman numerals of the numbers 1 to 50. 1 means I, 2 is double I, 3 is triple I, 4 is IV, 5 is V, 6 is VI, 7 is V double I, 8 means V triple I, 9 IX, 10 X. Now next 20 means double X, 30 triple X and 40 XL and 50 L. These are the Roman numerals of the numbers. I hope you are understood of the Roman numerals. Thank you and have a nice day.